Let's check this question. Let A and B are two unit vectors. A dot B equal to 0 and this is the xy belongs to real number. Remember, generally I seen that so many students, they don't bother about this kind of information. This is a very important information. A and B, whatever the information is given, just keep on writing. A and B are unit vector, so mod A will be equal to 1 equal to mod B. This is the one information I got it. A dot B equal to 0. A dot B equal to 0, that's indicate कि either this is null vector, not possible, or this is null vector, not possible, because both are unit vector, or angle between them is the 90 degree. So third condition will satisfy. A is perpendicular to B. Information writing is very important. And C is the XA plus YB plus A cross B. This point I will come back. Mod C equal to 2. This is another information they gave you. Mod C equal to 2. And the vector C is inclined at the same angle alpha to the both A and B, then the value of 8 cos square alpha. See, in the JEE they always create the question will be always simple. But only thing, so much information they will give you, people feel that it's a very typical question. It's not like that. First thing, this I wanted to explain this particular case. This particular things try to understand. I hope all of you know this point. Every vector can be expressed in terms of three non-coplanar vector. So, if I say, can I express any vector R in terms of some two non-collinear vectors A and B? Yes, R vector I can write X into A vector plus Y into B vector plus Z into A cross B. Sir, what is this? A, B and A cross B always non-coplanar, always. This point always keep in mind. So that's why we can represent a unique way. Anyway, generally when I say assume a vector, so how you used to assume xi plus yj plus zk? Why do you take this way? Because I, j, k are non-coplanar vector. So if you have to write R vector in terms of the A, B, then you can write this way. Okay. Anyway, this is already given here, so we don't have to worry about that part. So they say that C vector equal to this. G is not there. This is not there, right? Means this coefficient is 1. They make it minimize calculation. Now, one thing again, one more thing I will tell. If I ask you what will be mod C, hello, mod C from here will be said as x square plus y square plus 1 square. Always remember, you can write this statement only if all three vectors are the perpendicular. A cross B is perpendicular to B as well as perpendicular to A. But A, B should be also perpendicular. Yes, it's perpendicular, so I can write this way. If I say A and B are any two vector which is not perpendicular, then also you can write C vector as like this into Z into this. But you cannot write the magnitude is this way. You can write magnitude only this way when these three vectors are non-coplanar and orthogonal. So as a point you can mention somewhere. It's a very important point. If R vector equal to XA plus YB plus ZC, where A, B, C are non-coplanar and orthogonal, then mod C equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square. Orthogonal means perpendicular. So this statement you can write only when this is all three are perpendicular. A cross B will be always perpendicular to A and B. That is not a worry. Worry is that A and B are perpendicular or not, and they already mentioned this statement. Chaliye, to mod C, now question over, nothing is there. I don't have to solve anything. Mod C equal to 2 given, square both sides, so we'll get x square plus y square plus 1 equal to 4, means this equal to 3. This is the one information I got it. See, I don't expect me that means I will write every steps and explain you. You are viewing this video after practicing. Remember, whenever I solve the question, before solving the question, I always pause and try the question once again. So x square plus y square equal to 3. This is the what we got it. Now, they are saying vector C is inclined at the same angle with the alpha with the A and B both. तो that means what is the another information they gave you कि भैया C dot A means angle between the, I want something get angle. So what I am going to do, watch carefully everybody. C dot A, if I will take dot A both side, dot A I am taking, so C dot A will be equal to x into A dot A plus y into B dot A. I'm taking R here, I will write. I'm taking A dot A both side. So C dot A is equal to x into A dot A. Whenever you're taking dot, always take dot with the vector and don't take dot with the x, plus y into B dot A plus A cross B dot A. Up C dot A will be what? Mod C mod A cos alpha, because angle is alpha, is equal to mod A. This will become mod A square. Mod A square is 1. So that will be x. And B dot A already 0. And this is what? So this is the 0. And what is this? Box of ABA. And box of ABA will be 0. In the box, if two vectors are identical, they will be 0. So x equal to what I got? Mod C is the 2 and mod A is 1. 2 cos alpha. Have you understood? X equal to 2 cos alpha. Second condition. Similarly, if I will take dot B both side, so C dot B will be what? Mod C mod B. Mod C is the 2, mod B is the 1, cos alpha. Directly I am writing. So 2 cos alpha is equal to, here C A dot B 0, B dot B 1, mod B square 1, y, and this will become 0 again. A dot B, a box of ABB, box of ABB 0. So that will be y. Oh, means x equal to, this is the third condition, means what we got it, x equal to y equal to 2 cos alpha. Put it here, question over. So this will become 4 cos square alpha plus 4 cos square alpha equal to 3. They are asking 8 cos square alpha, that is directly we got it 3. So answer will be what? 3. I am sure it's clear to all of you. See, they never ask question which is the very typical, nothing, means we cannot apply. You have to write information and you have to use the information. That's all. Nothing else has to be. Let's see the next question. So, this question. Find 3-dimension vector v1, v2, v3 satisfying this condition. This kind of question, understand the language. They are saying you can tell any vector which can satisfy all these conditions together. They are not saying that key means special vector you have to find it out. Any vector, which it is. Suppose I say A dot B equal to 2. Find A vector and B vector which satisfying this vector, this condition. I can say this way also. A equal to 2i, B equal to I. Yes, correct answer. I am not saying this is the complete answer, but this is the correct answer, because this will satisfy the condition. Do you understand? Is it the only? No. There are so many set of vector, infinite number of set of vector can be happen which can satisfy this condition. I hope able to understand everybody. Okay. So whenever they say that is satisfying the following condition, it means you have to make sure that you can take anything whatever you want, but you have to make sure that all conditions get satisfied. So let us start with this. V1 dot V1, first thing, whatever the information, easy information we can write in our language so that we can use it. Mod V1 equal to, mod V1 is square equal to 4, because A dot A is what? A dot A is always mod A square. So mod V1 square will equal to 4, so mod V1 will be 2. Achha. V2 dot V2 also given. So whatever information I am using, I am just marking it. I am just marking that information so that I should not get confused, and you should also not get confused. And mod V2, this is mod V2 is equal to root 2. Yes, so this is also I use. And mod V3, this is also I can use it. Mod V3 is equal to root 29. Achha. Now balance what the information I am having. I am having V1 dot V2 is equal to minus 2. Achha. Acha. V1 dot V3 is equal to 6. Very good. And V2 dot V3 equal to minus 5. This many information is there. Mod, I will start with the V1. Mod V1 equal to 2. Nothing loss in taking V1 equal to 2 I cap is satisfying this condition. Satisfying this condition. It should satisfy this condition also. So I am taking V2 I am taking as let's say AI or XI plus YJ. You may say, sir, how can you write like this? You have to take K also. If you want, you can take it, but I will not take it. You will understand why. This is, I'm taking V2 because I have to find out satisfying condition. So V2 vector equal to this. So mod V2 equal to root 2, it means x square plus y square equal to 2. This is the one condition. V1 dot V2 equal to minus 2. So V1 dot V2 will be what? V1 dot V2. V1 is the 2i. So dot V2 will be what? 2x. So 2x equal to minus 2. That means x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 I can substitute here. So I will get y square equal to 2. 1. So y equal to plus minus 1. Y equal to plus minus 1. It means V2 vector, I got this. What I got? Minus I plus minus j. This is my V2 vector. This is my V2 vector. Correct? V2 here is coming, V2 here is coming, satisfying the condition. This condition also satisfy. Now balance 3 condition has to satisfy. V3 is the really problem. Why problem? Check it out. V3 I am taking as xi plus yj plus xy already I taken. So let's take it ABC. AI plus bj plus ck. This is my V3 vector I take it. Okay. Use this mod V3 today. So means one information a square plus b square plus c square equal to 29. First condition. Another V1 dot V2 I already used. This already used. This I already used. This I already used. This I already used. Now V1 dot V3 equal to 6 means this dot this equal to 6. So if you take this dot, this will be useless. 2a. 2a equal to 6. Oh, so a equal to 3 I got it. Chalo bhai. Now, this information I use. V2 dot V3 equal to minus 5. So now, this dot this. So what will become? Minus a plus minus b. There is no use of this. Is equal to how much? 6. A already I know minus 3. Gone there. So plus minus b equal to 9. Check it out. I did correct. Sometimes I do blunder. V2 dot V3 equal to 6 from where I got it. No, this is V2 dot V3 we are doing. No? This dot this equal to minus 5. This is given. Sorry, minus 5. So plus minus b equal to this will go there minus 3 minus 5 plus 3 means minus 2. Means b equal to we got minus plus 2. B equal to minus plus 2. Have you understood? Doesn't matter. Plus minus also you can write it because they are the all possible vector we have to write it. B also I got it. Now C left. I hope you understood. See how will I get it. I will put it here. If I am going to put it here, what will happen? A equal to 3 here. A equal to 3 means 9 plus minus 2 whole square 4 plus c square equal to 29. This will become 13. 6, 26, 16. So C equal to plus minus 4. So our vector, V3 vector will be what? V3 vector will be A. A is a 3. So 3i plus minus 2j plus minus 4k. This will be the answer. You may say, sir, if I will take V1 xi plus y, why should I take? I have to find the vector which satisfy these conditions. These are the vectors satisfying this condition. Sir, is there any possibility that some other vector can be happen? Maybe. I don't care. They are saying find any 3-dimension vector which satisfies this condition. Suppose they say, ask you, so if you are a small kid and somebody asks you, tell me 2 numbers so that sum of the number should be 5. You will say 2 and 3, take it. Is it the only solution? No. 1 and 5, 4 also can be happen. 0 and 5 also can be happen. But they are still one set of number. Why set? I told. Understood? Next question. Again, this is also determinant kind of question. A vector, B vector, they say are non-coplanar, then prove that then product of ABC will be what? Simple question. First thing, these are non-coplanar. So 100% sure I can say 1A square, 1B square, 1C square will be not equal to 0. Okay, this is the given information. Now let's see this one. A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, 1 plus A cube, 1 plus B cube, 1 plus C cube. You can split this column. Column can be split, it will become 2 determinant. It will become A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, and 1, 1, 1 plus A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, and A cube, B cube, C cube. This total value will be 0 because it's already given. Now from this column, from this row, I can take A common, from here B common, and from here C common. So what's going to be happen? A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, 1, 1, 1, plus A common from this, so A, B, C, what will left here? 1, A, some mistake I am doing, I don't think so. A square, 1, B square, 1, C square equal to 0. And now look, I can interchange this 2 column. Again 2 column I interchange, both are determinants same. These 2 determinants are same. Use determinant property. I am not teaching here determinant. 2 times you can interchange the column. You will get this, both determinants are same. So I can take common and I will get 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A square, B square, C square. Common and into 1 plus ABC equal to 0. Now use the first condition. This cannot be 0. The only possibility is because product has to be 0. So this has to be 0. Means ABC equal to -1. This is the answer. Simple question. It's a pure determinant question. There is no rule of non-coplanar is only this much. Okay. So rest is the pure determinant. This is very popular question, JEE question, but in every book, everywhere this question you will find. It's a not vector question, it's basically determinant question. If these vectors, these 3 vectors, there are 3 vectors, carefully you have to read. This is one vector, this is another vector, this is another vector. A, B, C, none of them are equal to 1, are coplanar. Okay. If these 3 vectors are coplanar, the box of A, B, C will be 0. Box of these 3 vectors will be 0. Means determinant of their coefficient will be 0. Means A, 1, 1, 1, B, 1, 1, 1, C will be 0. And now just determinant operation you have to do. What I am going to do, I am going to R2 I am replacing by R2 minus R1 and R3 I am replacing by R3 minus R1. So what will come? A, 1, 1, 1 minus A, B minus 1, 0, 1 minus A, 0, C minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Now from every column I'm taking from here 1 minus A I'm taking common, from here 1 minus B I'm taking common, from here 1 minus C I'm taking common. Are you getting my point? Hello? So what is going to come? From here I'm taking 1 minus A, 1 minus A. From here 1 minus B. From here 1 minus C. From each column. Why sir you are getting this idea? Because I'm looking the question. 1 minus A here common to here A by 1 minus A. This is 1, this is 1. Here 1 minus B I take in common to 1 by 1 minus B. This will become minus 1 because this is B minus 1 and this will become 0 only. This will become 1 by 1 minus C. This will be 0. This will be minus 1 equal to 0. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. Yes or no? Now nothing. Since A is not equal to 1, B is not equal to 1, C is not equal to 1, so this is not 0. If this is not 0, the only possibility this will be 0. This is 0. To just expand, your question is done. So this into 1. So A by 1 minus A minus, this gone to minus 1. So plus 1 by 1 minus B, my plus this gone 1 by 1 minus C equal to 0. This you can write it as a what? Plus 1 minus 1 if you do it. Plus 1 minus 1. So A minus 1 I did it to minus 1 and plus 1. Yeah. 1 by 1 minus A plus 1 minus B plus 1 minus C equal to 1. Because this can be written minus 1 equals. So answer is 1. Answer 1. I hope it's clear to everybody. Okay, it's a determinant question. There is no role of vector, right? In this question, there is some mistake. In the printing mistake has to be corrected. This is the cross and this is also cross. If by chance you trying by that, you tried by taking plus. So again pause the lecture and try it by taking cross. It's not plus. U cross V, mod of U cross V 1 and W dot U cross V equal to 1. Let's read the question. R cube, if anybody is getting confusion, this means 3 dimensions. That's all, nothing else. Real number you can understand. Okay, means if one line we represent by the capital R, so R, R and R. Or you can simply say, is a 3 dimension. What will come? Cube will come. So it will be R cube we used to call it. So it's nothing great about this. This R, this R, this R. This is in the 3 dimension. Means you have to take I, J, K, all 3 component. Okay, let's read one by one. U is this vector. U1, U2, U3 is not given. Be a unit vector. That means mod U equal to 1. That's the first line. First information we gather from the question. And W equal to this, fine. Mod W will be how much? 1. Okay. The mod W means W is also unit vector. Given that there exists a vector V in R cube, means V is a vector. Let's say V equal to AI plus BJ plus CK, right? We have to take all 3 components. Why so? Because it's mentioned it's an R cube. Such that mod of U cross V equal to 1 and W dot U cross V equal to 1. Okay. Mod of U cross V equal to 1 and W dot U cross V equal to also 1. Okay, bhai. Which of the following statement is R correct? It's of course a multiple choice question. It's an advanced question. Whenever the question comes, which of the following is correct or incorrect, be careful. Then you have to verify every option. Actually, it's not a single question. It's become 4 questions. Every option you have to check it. Okay, maybe one option can stop the other option, but we have to check every option. Chalo, first option, there is exactly one choice for V. Let's verify this. So, how many possible value of V can be happen? Let's see. So, first information saying mod of V cross V equal to 1. Mod of U cross V is what? Mod U, mod V into sine theta equal to 1. Yes or no? But mod u is 1. So mod v into sine theta equal to 1. Oh. Means v, how many possible value of v can be happen in 3 dimension for which the product of this one? Infinite. Right? Suppose u is this. So, and v is this. Imagine. And this is the theta. This is 1 unit. Sure. They are saying this length into sine theta should be 1. How many possible values? Are infinite? Because sine theta is suppose 1 by 5, so mod v is 5. Sine theta 1 by 7, so mod v is the 7. So there are the infinite possibility. So it means A option is wrong. There are infinite many choice for v. B option is correct. We don't have to stop here. We have to go further. Let u cap. First thing, don't get confused. Because sir, u vector they are not saying, they are saying u cap. But u is a unit vector. No? So u vector is same as a u cap. U cap all of you know, unit vector of any vector. So this is the unit vector of u. And u is already unit vector. So u cap and u both are same thing. Lies in xy plane. They are assuming. Okay. If u lies in the xy plane. So I'm talking about the C bit, be clear. For the C bit, xy plane, then this will be, let's verify. xy plane, so 100% j component will not be there. So your u vector will become ai cap plus bj. I'm sorry. U vector already given. No? Yes. So u1 I cap plus u2 j cap. u3 will become 0 automatically because this is in the xy plane. Acha, so I want to use this information. Let's use it. W dot u. Acha, one things we can do. This part we didn't explore. Let's explore it. This will be equal to mod w into mod u cross v into cos, let's say alpha equal to 1. Angle between the w and u cross v, I am taking alpha. Mod w we already seen 1 and mod of u cross v already given 1 means cos alpha 1 means alpha 0. Can you understand meaning of this? Means these two vector magnitude is same and angle between them is 0. And angle between them is 0. So cos alpha is 0. Think carefully, very carefully. Angle between these two vectors 0, their magnitude is 1, same. By angle 0 means what? Their direction same. So it means this vector and this vector are same vector. I can say without loss, u cross v and w vector are same. This line understood or not? This line everybody understood or not? This is a very important point. If I say, just for time being, I am just going out of topic. Suppose I say A dot B equal to 1. Mod A equal to mod B. So what is the relation between A and B? A dot B 1. That means mod A, mod B cos theta 1. And these two values, suppose I am assuming they are saying 1. So these two 1, so cos theta will be 1. Means theta will be 0. Means angle between these two vectors are 0. Angle 0 means these two vectors same direction. And magnitude already 1. Same. So 100% both are same vector. That's what I am trying to tell to you. So from here we can say u cross v is the w. And u cross v, for this let's calculate. U cross v will be what? I, j, k, u cross v. U cross v I am writing. And u value u1, u2, 0, a, b, c. Because v value I assume this one equal to 1 by root 6 I plus j plus 2k. Yes or no? Now just expand. This is getting to u2c into I cap minus this gone, u1c into j plus this gone, u1b minus u2a equal to 1 by root 6 I plus j plus 2k. Now since both are same thing, so I can compare ijk coefficient. So you'll get u2c equal to 1 by root 6 and u1c equal to minus 1 by root 6. I hope you're able to understand everybody. Now if you divide it, you will get u1 equal to minus u2. So mod of u1 will be equal to mod of u2. Have you understand? So we got this option correct. Now D option, we have to re-verify. D option, this is true. This is the for every condition true. D option saying what? If u lies in x, this is the mistake, xz plane, please correct it. There's so many typing mistake is there. If u lies in xz plane, if you lie in the xz plane, you lie in the xz plane. Chalo. You lie in xz plane. So what will happen? D option I am talking. U lies in xz plane. So what will happen? Now this time I will write I, j, k. Xz plane means y coefficient 0. u1, 0, u3 and abc equal to same thing 1 by root 6 I plus j plus 2k. Am I right? If you're going to compare it, if you're going to expand, this will go on, this gone. So minus b u3, wait a minute, minus b u3 into I plus minus j, this I will not take, minus j into something will come, leave it, because a and both will involve, no? Plus k into, this is u1b equal to 1 by root 6 I plus j plus 2k. Now comparing coefficient I, we will get minus b u3 equal to 1 by root 6 and k coefficient I am comparing. So u1b equal to 2 by root 6. Now divide these two, you will get what? Minus u3 by u1 equal to 1 by 2. So mod u1 equal to 2 mod u3. Mod u1 equal to 2 mod u3. Mod u1 equal to 2 mod u3. No, this is wrong. If it would be mod u1 equal to 2 mod u3, then it will be correct. Yes. So option will be B and C will be correct. I hope all of you understood. Slightly typical question. Of course, JEE advanced question will be always typical question. They will be, see, if you notice, nothing great in this. Just information collecting at one place and combining it. That's all. Let's go to the next question. This question is also very simple question. Very simple. Nothing is there. Why people ask this doubt? I don't know. A vector this, B vector this, C vector 3 non-zero coordinates. C is the unit vector perpendicular to C and A and B. This should not be C and B. A and B. If the angle between A and B is pi by 6, then find it. If anybody already tried with the taking C and B, you can pause and retry once again. Okay? This is the A and B. So what are the information given? The ABC are non-zero coplanar, non-zero vectors. Very good. And C is a unit vector, means mod C equal to 1 given. And C is a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B, means C dot A will be 0, C dot B will be 0. Yes or no? These are the few information are given. And angle between A and B is the pi by 6. A dot B, angle between A and B. A and B is pi by 6. These are the information given. They are asking this value. Anybody can understand this is nothing but box ABC. So determinant of A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 whole square is nothing but box of A, B, C whole square. Hello. Everybody understand? And box ABC is what? Hello. What is the box ABC? Box ABC is equal to A dot B cross C. So box ABC square, mod of box of ABC will be what? I'm sorry. No need of taking mod because we are going to take a square. So box of ABC, I can write mod A, mod B cross C, sine theta. Sir, what is theta? Theta is the angle between ABC. ABC. Achha, it's a better to take other way because they are mentioning C is perpendicular to A and B both. This way also we can do, but unnecessary 2 times we have to. We can do by other way. Why? You'll understand. Box of ABC, I can write this way also. A cross B dot C. It doesn't matter. So that will be equal to what? Mod of A cross B mod C into sine angle between C and A cross B. Think carefully. Sine, why I am writing cos, no? Cos. Cos. Angle between A cross B angle will be what? A cross B is a vector perpendicular to A and B both. And C is also perpendicular to both. Means C will be collinear with A and B. Yes or no? So cos, here what will come? Cos, the angle between A, B and C is given with what? Either 0 degree or 180 degree. So cos theta, where theta will be what? Theta will be either 0 degree or 180 degree. Everybody understood? And mod of A cross B will be what? Mod A, mod B, sine theta, angle between A and B. So sine pi by 6 into mod C into cos theta. So box ABC will be what? Cos theta will be either plus 1 or minus 1. So plus minus mod A will be what? Hello. Root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square into mod B will be what? Root of AB1 square plus B2 square plus B3 square. And mod C is the 1 and sine pi by 6 1 by 2. So this is whole square. If you take the plus minus disappear and we are going to get 1 by 4 A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square into B1 square plus B2 square plus B3 square. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. The answer will be C. Simple, bhai. Nothing else. Only thing what I'm trying to tell to you. If any vector is perpendicular to A and B both, so it will be either parallel or anti-parallel to A cross B. If A and B, if C is perpendicular to A and B, then C will be collinear with A cross B. Don't say parallel. I see people say parallel. Here does not matter. If you take parallel also, answer will come same because we are going to take a square. But correct version is what? It's a collinear. It's not parallel. It can be 0 degree also. It can be 180 degree also. Have you understand? This question purely calculation based and formula based. One thing I'm not very much happy with this question. They mention parallel to A. They should say collinear to A. But it's okay. Generally in vector we talk anything who's either parallel or anti-parallel we take as a parallel only. So, but it should be actually the question should be collinear to A. Let's do it. BCD are non-coplanar vector. BCD non-coplanar vector. It means box of BCD is not 0. Then prove that this is parallel to A. ठीक है भाई. So first we'll expand one. See, there are 3 terms. Carefully watch. Sometimes we don't. First term, second term, and third term. Can you see? This vector is the addition of 3 vectors. This is a vector 4 time product. Always keep one thing in mind. If I say A cross B, cross C cross D, I have to find. First things what you do, assume this one as a M vector. because we know vector triple product. We don't know vector 4-time product. So this will be written A cross B cross M vector. Now, as I told you, this dot this, which is the far away, A dot M into balance vector minus B dot M into balance vector, A vector. A dot M, think what is the A dot M? M is what? C cross D. So this is the A dot C cross D. A dot C cross D. What is the meaning of A dot C cross D? Box of ACD into B minus, what is this? B dot C cross D. This box of BCD into A. Did you understand? Means A cross B cross C cross D is this. Best way to remember. What way we can learn this? It's very simple. This is whenever you have to calculate, suppose I say P cross Q cross R cross S. Very simple way I am telling. Take first vector here and make box with the other two vectors. So that will become what? Box of P R S into balance vector Q vector minus, take these two vector and make box with this, the box of Q R S into balance vector P vector. Have you understand? So now let's write this value. This value will be what? Box, take first vector and make box with this. The box of ACD. Box of ACD. Just a minute. Yes. So this will become what? Box of ACD into balance vector B vector minus box of BCD into balance vector A vector. This is the expansion of first. Have you understood? Second one, when I will expand, I will not get B and A, I will get A and C. Third one, when I will expand, I will get what? A and D. Means C will come only one time, B will come only one time, and I need to cancel that. So what I am going to do, I am going to reverse it. I am going to reverse it. Reverse means this I can write it as what? Minus of B cross D cross A cross C. All of you understood? Whenever this minus total. Why, sir? Because this, if you take reverse in the A cross B equal to minus of B cross A. So that's why I change it. Sir, why change? Because B and A is here. Here, see, when you expand this, you will get a vector in term of A and B. You will get a vector in term of P and Q. See, these are scalar, bhai. These are scalar P and Q. So when you expand this, you will get a vector in term of A and B. When you expand this, you will get a vector in term of A and C. When you expand this, you will get a vector in term of A and D. So think, A will come 3 times and B, C, D will come only 1 time. So how they will cancel? Because I have to finally cancel, na? Then only I can show parallel to A. Are you getting my point? Now this point I am expanding. So what will come? B box of B, A, C into D, but minus sign is there. So minus of box of B, A, C into D, and plus, because minus is there outside, no? Box of D, A, C into balance B vector. Now I got B 2 times. Is it getting cancelled or not? That we'll check later. Now expand this. So if you expand this, you'll get the vector in term of A and D. A and D. A and D. D already there, so there is a chance can cancel. So this will be box of A, B, C into balance minus box of D, B, C into balance. Now think carefully. Box of ACD. Box of ACD. I hope I did correct. Box of ACD. And here box of DAC. Both looks like same only. Will they get cancelled? No, I don't think so. Either I did some mistake or you did some mistake. You didn't do anything. I did. Maybe I did really mistake. Here I did mistake. See, B cross D I wrote. Basically this is the D cross B. I'm sorry. That's what I'm thinking. Why the mistake is happening. So this will be box of DAC. This is the D. I will write fully again. I did a mistake. Have you noticed? I changed this also. B cross D I wrote it earlier. I'm sorry. So this will be box of D A C into balance B minus D A C. Yes. This is the minus plus, because minus there, no? Plus box of B A C into balance D vector. Correct? Now check. ACD is same as the ACD, because this all of you know box of ABC, I can write box of BCA, I can write box of CAB. Whenever you are moving in a cyclic order or your reading is correct, then it will be same. Here reading is what? ACD. Here read ACD. Start with the A. So they are same. So these two will get cancelled. Check it. D. BAC. BCA. See, BAC. BCA. Cyclic order reading. So this is the reverse coming. So this will be minus of this. Will get cancelled. So and BCD. BCD. Both are same. Both are same. So will be equal to minus of box of BCD twice into A vector. So we prove that, suppose this vector is the R vector, so we prove this total is R vector, so R vector we prove minus 2 times of BCD into A vector. That's why I said they should mention collinear. Collinear, because this value negative, no problem, this will be parallel to A vector. But I do not know it's a positive or negative. If it's a negative, perfectly alright. But it's a positive, so this vector will be anti-parallel to A vector. Understand my point? Because this cannot be 0. Either it will be positive or negative. If it is a positive, no problem. Negative, no problem, it will be parallel. But if it is a positive, so it will be anti-parallel. So the question should be here collinear to A. Am I right? Let's see the next question. This question, again, simple question. This is called the equation solving based on the vector. I have to find x vector. C is given non-zero scalar. The information is very important. C is non-zero scalar means I can divide here and there. Suppose somebody say 5C equal to T, find anything like AC equal to T, find C. I'm not talking vector, I'm talking simple, general way. So find A. So you'll say A equal to T by C. Generally we do like this. But this step I can write only when we know that C is non-zero. Otherwise we cannot write that step. Understand? So every steps, every information, especially in JEE and Olympiad I seen, when they give the information, this have very, very important meaning. It has to be understood. Non-zero scalar. A and B be given non-zero vectors. A and B are non-zero vector. Means mod A cannot be 0, mod B cannot be 0. A is perpendicular to B. ठीक है भाई? तो means angle between A and B is the 90 degree. Find the vector x satisfying this condition and this. I seen so many times the children's what they do. They always assume x equal to x vector equal to ai plus bj plus ck. Don't go in that way. They never ask question in that key which is calculation base. It will be always conceptual base. I have to get x. Look the third equation. This is telling everything. What I will do, I will take cross product. Vector triple product, everybody remember? A cross B cross C. What I told you, how to remember? First take dot with the away vector. A dot C into balance vector minus take dot with the closer vector. B dot C into left vector A vector. This is the way to do. So I am going to take cross A both sides. Sir, why not cross B? You can take cross B also. Why not cross X, sir? Let's analyze that. If you will take cross B both sides, what will you get? A cross X cross B. So you will get A dot B into X. This is fine. No problem. Minus X dot B. See, I'm just, sometime I'm writing small b, sometime capital B, please excuse for that. X dot B into A. Oh, X dot B I don't know. X dot A I know. That is why I will take cross A both sides. If I will do cross A both sides, be clear, whenever you're doing cross product, always maintain the order. Order means left side I multiply cross A from right hand side to this side also, it will be second vector. It cannot be first vector because here order matter. Now this will become what? A dot A into X vector minus A dot X into A vector is equal to B cross A. B cross A, leave it like this. A cross A dot X I know. So your A dot A is what? Mod A square into X vector. This is a scalar quantity minus C into A is equal to B cross A, because this value is C, B cross A. Finish, question over. So X vector equal to this shifted here, B cross A plus C into A vector divided by mod A vector square. This is the answer. We got the X vector. Have you understand? This is the answer. Now I can divide mod A square only when I know that ki mod A is not 0. And they mention that ki A and B are non-zero vectors. Are you able to understand the point? So it was a simple question. This is called the equation based problem in the vectors. Next question. This is again very simple question. Very simple question. It's a very common question. This question can be solved by at least 3 different methods. I will solve only one method. That much time is not there. I will do one. Prove that by vector method, angular bisector of triangle are concurrent. All of you already think if one triangle is there, and if you will try to find out the angular bisector of this triangle. So, angular bisector, I am taking internal angular bisector. This is the one angle bisector. This is another angle bisector. And this is another angle bisector. They are always concurrent. And this point of concurrency is called as the incenter. That is called as the incenter. Yes or no? This is the incenter of the triangle. Now, this incenter is called as the point of concurrency. We have to find out that also. Okay, let's start with the question. Prove by vector method that angular bisector of a triangle are concurrent and find an expression for the position vector of the point of concurrency in terms of the position vector of the vertices. Okay. Check it. Very simple way. You can do by line equation also. I am not going to use the line equation. I will do directly. Suppose this point is the A, this point is the B, this point is C. You may wonder, sir, why not one point you can take origin? Yes, I can take it, but they are asking that find an expression of the position vector of the point of concurrency in terms of position vectors of the vertices. If I will take one as a origin, so it will not appear. This purpose will not solve. Right? Now, let's assume that opposite side of the A, the length is the A. Or let's take X. This length I am taking as a X. This length I am taking as a Y. This length I am taking as a Z. Right? One of the angle bisector I am drawing. One of the angle bisector I am drawing. Watch it. Let's this meet at D. Can you tell me D position vector? D position vector. So first thing, this position vector I know, this position vector I know. If I can know the ratio, then I can tell position vector. Always remember, angle bisector divides up the sides where it intersect. Always in the ratio of the sides whose it's an angle bisector. This is the angle bisector of these two sides. So this two will be divided in the same ratio. Means this will be Z is to Y. So D coordinate will be what? Z into C, Y into B. So Y into B plus Z into C by Z, Y plus Z. This is your D coordinate. Acha. Let's get the E coordinate. Another angle bisector. This is the E. Now directly I will write. So your E coordinate will be what? E coordinate. E coordinate will be, see, this side will be Z and this side will be X. So X will multiply this and Z will multiply this. So will we say XA plus ZC divided by X plus Z. Okay. Let's take one more angle bisector. One more angle bisector. Sir, how can you know, how you have to prove that it's passing through the single point, concurrent. How can you say directly? I'm taking it, sir. Assumption I'm taking, it's passing through it. We have to prove, we'll prove it. So this is the F. So F position vector will be what? F position vector. This will be X, this will be Z. So Z will multiply here, X will multiply here. So we'll say XA plus ZC. This will be Y and this will be X, XA plus YB, yes, YB divided by X plus Y. ठीक है भाई. Correct. Very good. Now check this carefully. Up, there are two different ways for solving this question at this point of time. Actually, 3-4 methods are there in vector itself. But two I can see very clearly. One, this point I know, and I can use the line equation. I hope all of you remember, if this is the A point, this is the B point, then equation of this line in vector form will be given by A plus lambda into B minus A. I can get the equation of this line. Similarly, equation of this line, because D, B and E also I know. Equation of this line, because C and F also I know. Correct? I will find the intersection of these two and I will prove that it's an intersection point satisfying this way. But this kind of question, why wasting that much time? Simple. I know if they are concurrent, so this point, suppose I say P point, this is the P point, right? P point will divide internally in some ratio or not. P point divide internally in this ratio, P point divide internally in this ratio. So think carefully. For this equation, what I can write? Y plus Z into D vector is equal to YB plus ZC. And here X plus Z into E vector is equal to XA plus ZC. And here X plus Y into F vector is equal to XA plus YB vector. Up, think carefully. This point will come in term of D and A or not. And this point will come, if P point again will come in term of C and F. P point again will come in term of B and D. So, if I can get something in term of A here, in term of B here, in term of C here, so that will become internal division point. Check it. What should I add in all three equations? So that here something into A should come, here something into B, here something into C, but right side should be same. Sir, why? because that is the P point, no? Achha. Both sides, what should I add? What should I add? What should I add? But here I am allowed to add only A. Okay, plus X A. Here I am allowed to add only B. Okay, plus YB. Here I am allowed to add only C. Okay, ZC. See, right side are equal. Right side are equal. And another way to check, sum of a scalar should be same. X plus Y plus Z, X plus Y plus Z, X plus Y plus Z, X plus Y. Now whatever sum of a scalar is there, divide throughout and equate them. So what you are going to get? I am going to get Y plus Z into D plus XA by X plus Y plus Z is equal to Y X plus Z. X plus Z into E plus YB by X plus Y plus Z is equal to X plus Y plus, X plus Y into F plus Z into C by X plus Y plus Z. See, if you did not attended the vector lecture or you did not complete the vector lecture, all these things will look like some Chinese language you cannot understand. So don't try to attend this without finishing your vector chapter. Is equal to what will come? XA plus YB plus ZC divided by X plus Y plus Z. Concentrate. This is the internal division of D and X, which is divided in the ratio X plus Y, X plus Z and X. Y plus Z and X. This is the internal division point of D and A. This is the internal division point of B and E. This is the internal division point of F and C. And all three are equal. So 100% that is the P point only. And all three are equal to this. So this is the coordinate of the P point. Or you can say position vector of the P point. Point of concurrency. To be proof that all three lines are concurrent and the point of concurrency we got in term of the ABC. This is the what way. Other way also you can do. So many way. But I feel this is the much faster, much easier and much logical. Internal division formula is the most important formula for the vector problem solving in geometry problem solving. Right? So this point I hope everybody clear. So let's go to the next question.